Since 2005, SensoQuest has been manufacturing high-quality thermocyclers. With our in-house production and expertise, we create precise and innovative devices tailored for laboratories around the world. The LabCycler Compact, your personal PCR solution. Small in size, yet big on performance. No more waiting in line, this one is yours. At just 37 by 20 by 16 centimeters and weighing only 7.8 kilograms, the LabCycler Compact is one of the most space-efficient thermocyclers on the market. Despite its compact design, it features a high-quality TFT touchscreen that ensures seamless operation and intuitive programming. The LabCycler Compact 48 is our most affordable thermocycler, ideal for personal use. It features a durable 48-well aluminum block, perfect for single tubes and strip applications. With heating rates of up to 3.5 Celsius per second and cooling rates of up to 3.2 Celsius per second, it delivers reliable results whenever you need them. For those who demand maximum speed, the LabCycler Compact 48S is the fastest personal thermocycler available. Its gold-plated silver block boasts an unmatched thermal conductivity of 429 watts per meter Kelvin, delivering heating and cooling rates of up to 5 degrees Celsius per second. No competitor offers such a small yet powerful silver block, giving you high-end performance right at your fingertips. Unlike shared thermocyclers that run all day, the LabCycler Compact is designed for personal, efficient operation. Consuming just 180 watts at full power and running as quietly as 38 decibels, it's always available when you need it, without disturbing your lab environment. The LabCycler Compact can grow with your needs. Easily upgrade to gradient functionality, providing flexibility for a wide range of applications. With its durable build and intuitive software, this thermocycler is a reliable companion for years to come. Compact, reliable, innovative. The LabCycler Compact from SensoQuest is the perfect solution for labs that demand high performance in a small package. Learn more about the LabCycler and our range of thermal blocks at sensoquest.de and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.